Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin inside your Google account because unlinking is an account-level change. First, sign into the Gmail account that authorized the sites. Do not use a recovery or alternate if it's different. Once signed in, open Security and find third-party apps with account access. This is the control panel that lists connected sites. Make sure you have two-step ready in case Google prompts verification. Now locate the specific site you want to remove so you can revoke access immediately. Next, revoke the site's permissions by selecting its entry and choosing Remove Access or Disconnect. This severs OAuth tokens and prevents future logins. If the site uses Google APIs, open API permissions and revoke any listed client ID. Make sure to sign out active sessions on that app if the control shows session logout. Once done, clear browser cookies or app cache to avoid auto-login. This dual approach stops both token-based and cookie-based reconnections. To finish, verify the site is gone from the third-party apps list. Sign out and sign back into Gmail to confirm. If the site persists, rotate your Google password and revoke any app-specific passwords to force token expiry. Make sure two-step verification stays enabled to prevent reauthorization. If problems continue, temporarily reauthorize deliberately to identify its exact client ID, then delete or contact that site's account settings. That pinpoint step reveals hidden integrations, so you can remove them definitively.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.